Hello there. We've had three different zones of weather across the UK on Tuesday. It was warm and sunny across large parts of the East Midlands, central southern England, East Anglia and the southeast, with top temperatures reaching the mid-20s in that warm sunshine. But just a little bit further westwards, this stripe of rain, a slow-moving weather front, brought different weather conditions, with the afternoon weather slowly brightening up in Scotland and Northern Ireland after what was quite a wet and soggy start to the day, for example here in Crieff in Perth and Kinross. Now, looking at the weather charts for Wednesday, again, we've got a three-way split. The weather front that we're seeing on Tuesday, still on the charts here. Another weather front moves into the northwest, bringing more heavy rain. And again, across easternmost areas, we're looking at some dry and sunny, warm weather. So the weather very much depends where you are as to what you'll get. This weak weather front could still bring a few patches of rain, maybe one or two heavy bursts across parts of Wales, the Midlands, northern England. But I think the heaviest rain probably is more likely to affect parts of West Scotland and Northern Ireland. Could brighten up though across the far northwest into the late afternoon. East Anglia and southeast England seeing the sunniest weather, with the highest temperatures could be even warmer. Top temperatures up to 27 degrees Celsius. Then through Wednesday night time, well, that little stripe of cloud you can see working across East Anglia and southeast England, that's actually the cold front. And as that works its way through, for Thursday, it will introduce cooler and fresher air into East Anglia and southeast England. So instead of temperatures up as high as 27, they'll be dropping close to average for the time of year. There will be a lot of dry weather around on Thursday as well, but a few blustery showers coming and going for the north and west of Scotland, an odd isolated shower for Northern Ireland and the northwest of England and Wales. But, you know, overall, Thursday is not a bad kind of day. Temperatures high teens to low 20s, should feel quite pleasant in that late August sunshine. Now, heading into Friday, got a little area of low pressure bringing the threat of some rain across the Northern Isles for a time, but otherwise this area of high pressure is going to start building across the UK on Friday, and that means increasingly the weather becomes dry for the vast majority of the country. Now, you might find a few early morning mist and fog patches, but otherwise the weather is set fair for most areas of the UK, and in the sunshine we're looking at those temperatures again quite widely reaching the 20s across England and Wales, the high teens generally for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, but it will feel pleasant if you're outside in that sun. And the fine weather is set to last into the weekend as well for the vast majority of the country. The one thing we need to keep an eye on though is the risk of one or two showers popping up from North France towards southern areas of England as we head to the second part of the weekend. But overall, for most of the UK, we're looking at dry weather with plenty of sunshine around. It will feel warm in the sunshine. We're flipping over into September on Sunday, and again, it's not a bad kind of day. Now, beyond that, into next week, there are a couple of scenarios. It looks like high pressure is going to stay to the south and east of the UK, showers potentially to the northwest of the UK, but that's the most likely scenario that we see. Another scenario, a lower probability scenario, is that we see an area of low pressure start to form across the UK and drift into more central regions as the week goes by. This, rather than bringing showers, could bring us some lengthier spells of rain. This at the moment looks like the far less likely scenario. So showers may be returning to the northwest of the UK, but probably still dry towards the southeast for much of next week. Bye for now.